For developers looking to develop coastal land here in Florida, the challenges are always the same. Finding lots that are wide enough to build on and navigating the long road to permitting. This development solves both. What we have here are exceptionally wide 80-foot oceanfront lots. That's double the size of typical new construction in this area, giving you a rare opportunity to build the sprawling, high-margin luxury residences the market is demanding. This is a true ocean-to-river opportunity. Permits are in process for 7 docks with a boardwalk connecting them to A1A. Your clients get a home on a private, accreting beach, and they can be at the inlet by boat in just minutes. 7 lots are available now, with the potential for additional lots. The permitting work is done, the vision is approved, but the real value here is speed to market. This project is shovel ready. Call me today for more information. This is Sven Frisell with the Reynolds team of Compass.